There are few challenges in life greater than forgiving those who have hurt, betrayed, or mistreated us. Yet, forgiveness is not just a suggestion, it is a command from God. In Forgiveness, 21 Keys to Forgiving Others as God Forgives You, you'll discover how to release the pain of the past, fill the broken spaces with God's love, and walk in true freedom. Through this 21-day journey, you will uncover the biblical foundations of forgiveness, learn to let go of bitterness, and embrace the peace that only comes from honoring God's command. Forgiveness is not weakness, it is strength, healing, and maturity in Christ. If you are ready to break free from the weight of unforgiveness and step into a life of restoration, reconciliation, and spiritual growth, Forgiveness, the book is for you. Don't let anger or bitterness hold you back another day. Choose forgiveness. Choose freedom. Begin your journey now.